When you log on to a course, the course welcome page appears, where you can see what the course is about, who benefits from taking the course, and what do you get out of participating. To the left, you see the table of contents. If you're looking for something specific, you can search for it here. Let's try and search for favorites. Now the results for favorites appear, and you just click on a result in order to jump to the page. If you click here, you can take a test before taking the course. The test helps you pinpoint the areas in the course you need to focus on, and which areas you can skip. You can always return to your test page to see your result. Clicking on any of the topics, you're presented with the start page of the chosen topic. Here you get an introduction to the chosen topic, a content overview, and finally you can choose between reading theory about the topic, watch short films, or do an exercise on the topic. Let's start with theory. Here you can read about the various functions and processes. Below, you see the number of theory pages on this particular topic. On some of the pages, you will also find interactive screenshots where you can point the mouse cursor at given hotspots and then read about the various functions, buttons, or other elements that have been highlighted. If you learn best by reading, you should start by choosing the theory pages. If you choose to watch films, there are one or more films that take you through the topic and explain the different approaches and procedures. Here it's just explained visually instead. You start a film by clicking here. Make sure HD is on, and click here to watch the film in full size. You minimize the film by clicking here, or by pressing Escape. If you learn best by watching and hearing, you should watch the films. Finally, you can choose an interactive exercise, where you can actually type and write in a simulated environment. Here you get hands-on experience with the topic in a virtual learning environment. And if you get stuck, you're guided by narrated help and screen tips. If you learn best by the principle learning by doing, you should definitely try the exercises. You can take the course from A to Z, but you don't have to. It is entirely up to you which pages and topics you choose and in what order. You decide how you learn, and therefore you will not waste unnecessary time during the course. Finally, you're able to test your new knowledge by taking the final test. The result shows which topics you've mastered and which you might look at again. This way you make sure that you've covered the whole course. When you have finished the test, you can print a certificate showing you have completed the course. On the last page of the course, you find links to hotkeys and other relevant pages. If the course contains a case study, you will also find it here. By clicking here, you go to our web shop. We hope you enjoyed the course.